Hi there. Welcome to the OptMel channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of manufacturing and precision engineering. If you've ever wondered what CNC machining is all about, you're in for a treat. I'm Tracy, and in this video, we'll be going over the essentials of CNC machining. So what exactly is CNC machining? CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. It's a cutting-edge manufacturing process that uses computer-controlled machines to shape and create intricate parts with unparalleled precision. Let's break it down. First, a computer-aided design model is created on a computer. This digital blueprint serves as a guide for the CNC machine. The CNC machine takes it from there. It reads the CAD design and precisely controls the movement of the cutting tools. It can rotate, cut, drill, and shape the material according to the design specifications. One of the standout features of CNC machining is its unparalleled precision. These machines can achieve incredibly tight tolerances, often in the micrometer range, ensuring that each part is consistent and flawless. CNC machining isn't limited to just one type of material. Whether it's metals like aluminum, steel, or titanium, or even plastics and composites, these machines can handle a wide range of materials. Here's where it gets exciting. CNC machining can craft complex geometries and intricate designs that might be impossible with traditional methods. Think of aerospace components, medical devices, and custom-made parts for food processing equipment. Automation is the name of the game here. Once the machine is set up and the program is loaded, it can churn out parts with minimal human intervention. This boosts efficiency, reduces errors, and speeds up production. CNC machining isn't just for mass production. It's a go-to choice for customizing parts and creating prototypes. Whether you need one piece or a small batch, CNC machining's flexibility shines through. And there you have it, the lowdown on CNC machining. From precision and versatility to complex designs and efficiency, it's a game changer in the world of manufacturing. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Visit our website for more information on high-precision manufacturing. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on CNC machining, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.